Get over here! Let's dance! Let's dance! Here goes Marion Munchies taking off.
I wondered what was wrong with me.
Munchies. I'm making a whole video, yes?
Hell, man, friggin'.
Okay. Carry the paint straight down to the plastic and make it like feather 18 now, bro. You gotta feather 18 to the point that when you touch it, you're not really feeling which part the paint and the plastic is.
Okay. Well, it looked like it break it the more I use it.
Yeah, we try to stick down properly. Yeah? Nice transition out of
What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing good. We officially getting started on the prepping and stuff. I know they're probably saying, you know, RckBek is quite August, quite next month, but I don't want to be rushing things last minute. And when I really thought about it, with the amount of time I only have like 2 days off a week, and it's only 1 day off as really and truly do stuff with the car. So, you know, just to prevent having any last minute rushing and stuff, I just rush in early. So the sooner I can knock the car out, prep the fenders, the paint, putting back moldings, because some moldings fall off. Sooner I can knock out them things earlier, the more relaxed I could be closer to the car show now. Whereas I wouldn't be rushing last minute and whatnot. So, in terms of the structure, the videos coming in the future, it probably wouldn't be as like all my other videos. It'll probably be like I do thing here, I do the thing there, and I throw it in and choppy and all over the place now. So just bear with me because it's a rush, but still not trying to rush at the same time, you know. Alright, so for this going back on the car, the moldings, 1 or 2, like I said before, fall off the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going and kind of like restore them to OEM style flat black. And actually bought this Rust-Oleum trim paint for that, but I ended up not using it on these. I ended up painting the fender with this. And it gave the fender a kind of nice solid black, kind of matte black finish, and it lasts a while, but after a while it just started to fade out and get gray and stuff, and I didn't like it. And so this time I want to try gloss black and get a nice shine like how them cars shining. So I want to try a gloss black on this. And well, all you will have to wait and see what I'm going to do with this fender, because I'm not going to do the 2 black. Yeah. So the next day, kind of been up since 6, trying to do a little early morning stuff, because like I said before, we didn't really have time to be, you know, bloody gagging. So what I'm doing is taking the DA, right, and sanding the molding until the paint and the molding kind of fade in, where you can't feel it on your physical thumb now. You don't feel the transition between the two now, right? As for this one, because this one already had paint flaking and whatnot. For this one, as the paint kind of good, you don't need to sand it as hard. We just need to scuff the surface and the filler will stick to it. Give this back to Jared. Jared will fill it and then we'll paint it. Not the best, but I don't want to overdo it because I want to overcut it and then I don't need to, and then give Jared more work now, boy. So, you know, paint scuffed. This is good for now. As for the fender, well, you just can't be running the day on it. Trying not to go down to bare metal because we don't want to use etching primer, you know, so we just want to scuff the surface of the whole fender to make down here kind of look like up here. Alright, final product. It's terrible because Jared said not to go down to metal, and a few places, well, I went down to metal. If you look on the seam here, see how shiny that is? That is from raw metal exposed. It has some parts like grey because the paint underneath this was silver, like a silver grey, but like here, so it have a shine, a glisten that is from the metal exposed. So I probably will overdo it. This area here, the molding, I could have a short piece of molding like that, short piece of trim. Let's go right here. So Jared say, don't put too much emphasis on this, because you could always just take a sandpaper and wet sand it, but a piece of molding going over it, so I don't really have to overdo it here. So yeah, that's how she stand up. So now it's to just drop back off these things. Jared go do some light touching up, prime it, and then we go paint them back. Watch how black my hand is.
What I give you, man?
Jared bringing up my thing, trying to mash up my trim.
My clips. It's real cry, bro.
Trying to mash up my Civic thing.
I trying to mash up all the things. You see your Civic?
Don't go there, leave it alone.
I know how to go there.
Smoking on mad, everybody hate on me. Buzzing on the bar chill, can't even see where I'm going. Going on the stove floor, on cloud 9 pole. She not coming back to you. Like this shit look on you, but you tryna stop this feel. I give up money, I'm cool. That mean I'm getting my money than you. Can you complain? Dog prices too steep. Turn my with a free throw. Look up blame, you ain't even see it though. That's if it's smoking on mad, everybody hate on me.
So I got in this video short, you know, you get to see the finished product of it prime, you get to see the mold and paint. So for the next episode, you know, 2 fenders gonna be ready, and then it gonna be maybe put together the car, maybe. But yeah, that will be it. I hope you enjoyed. It's not much, but you know, I'm thankful that all you tuning in to watch anyways. Hopefully next video might be the drift games test and tune. Maybe, maybe not, but we go see. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.
Yeah. Love. Yeah. Bittersweet. I just be vibing on a beat. Like my girl stick petite. My gotta be a freak. I don't want you and me.